Sonam Kapoor, is now going to interact with a fan. And guess what? She's actually going to give her an entirely complete new look. So here we are. Hi Sonam. Where everybody says no one knows style better than you in Bollywood. So we have somebody who's a huge fan of yours, and she's very confused about how she looks and what she should wear. So will you help her out?
Of course I will. Of course I will.
Great. So come on over, Ruchi. Hi.
Hi Sonam. Hi Ruchi. Sonam, I'm actually very confused, during the party time. What should I wear? So could you just suggest me something?
You have a very ethnic, beautiful face and you have great skin, touch wood. So it'll be very easy for you to get your face and your hair made. You're very petite and you have great leg, and you need to straighten your posture. Back straight, stomach in. Actually, I went through it before you came and I really like this black and white ruffle dress. I think it's really pretty because it's girly and at the same time it's sexy. What I think you should do for her is इनका skin बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, और तो I think best thing to do with this is red lips. I think it look really beautiful because it's black and white, तो थोड़ा dull नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड इतना गर्ली है ये, तो आप प्लीज़ उनका बाल करें वेर यू आप एक साइड पार्टिंग लें, और पार्टिंग के ऑपोजिट अगर बाल इधर जा रहा है और पार्टिंग इधर है तो आप उनका एक साइड बन बनाना. विद समथिंग लाइक दिस, व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हिच वुड लुक बेटर, peep toes or pumps?
I think peep toes.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Because peep toes, even though pumps are beautiful, I'm wearing pumps right now, very similar to the ones you have. But I honestly feel peep toes gives it a little more of a party feel. Pumps are a little more formal and nice for office and stuff like that.
We'll see her right back. 5 minutes. You go right ahead. So aren't you all waiting to see what's happened to her? Or what's happened to Ruchi? Come on over, Ruchi.
Jalwa. Jalwa.
Oh God, you look so pretty.
Thank you.
A lot of people like her who are confused about style, who want help. So what were the 3 simple steps that they cannot go wrong with, that you would like to help them with?
Keep it as simple as possible, always, and never do eye makeup and lip makeup together.
Sonam, when was the first time you realize it's important to be stylish?
I think it's important to be well put together, because we all, I mean, if you're a working girl or if you want to make an impression, because I always feel a first impression, and if you're put together well, really makes an impression on a person, like especially in a work environment.
Also, Sonam, when you go for a party, and supposing you have like no options left, you've worn all the clothes, and you don't have time to go out for a shop, what do you do then?
Like if I have a pantsuit, then I'll take maybe the pants from something and like pair it up with the blouse. I mix like jacket colors, and I love like taking dresses and like layering them and stuff like that.
Have you snipped up your clothes somehow, or added like cool
I
stuff?
used to do that to my jeans all the time, like to make them into shorts, is to rip them. Sometimes to my jeans, like I rip them so that they have like a distressed like kind of vibe to them.
Do you think it's important to match everything? How important is color combination?
I think matchy looks kind of weird, like unless you know how to do it really well. But I think you should always have a contrast thing. Like if I'm wearing black shoes, if I wore green shoes with this, it'll look really stupid. As I'm wearing black shoes and I'm wearing a black ring.
Are you everybody says that, they would love to be in your shoes because you get all the Chanels, you get all the Jimmy Choos, you get all that wonderful Louis Vuitton. So do you also think that it's a great part of being an actress? You get to dress well and you get to look.
Thank you. But yeah, it's nice being in a position where you get all these things, but at the same time I think you can do great cheap shopping, I think there's lots of great street stuff, and a lot of the stuff is actually copied from the high-end designers.
Thinking of street shopping, how many times have you street shopped? When were the times when you
I can
pick
shop
up?
anywhere. Like you have to just give me some cash and I can shop anywhere. Like in any, like even if you send me to Timbuktu,
If you give me $500, what would you buy?
I would go to Linking Road. I would pick up a Kolhapuri chappal. You get great maxi dresses there right now. So you pick up a maxi dress, wear the Kolhapuri chappals, and do up your eyes with kajal, and get one of those dangly earrings from what you get on Linking Road. Look fab.
Your father, Mr. Anil Kapoor, he's got his own style now. He carries the suits very well. Do you suggest?
For someone my dad's age, he has a great body. So he looks great in a suit because he's so tall and he's got great shoulder. So I like him in formal clothes, and he looks great in a sherwani as well. So I think he looks great, but he also looks good in like t-shirts, but he can't wear tight fitting t-shirts. Like I never allow him to do that.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank
you so much.
मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली मटक्कली मसक्कली मसक्कली उड़ मटक्कली